Good day guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm showing you how to upload a song on TuneCore. So guys, if you just finished a killer track and you're ready to get it out into the world, leaving it on your hard drive won't do you much good. And today we're going to quickly walk through you on TuneCore and show you exactly how to upload a single format files perfectly to bypass system errors and get your music onto Shopify and get your music onto Spotify and other platforms. Right guys, so of course don't forget to register on TuneCore. It's pretty easy, just provide your email, password, and that's pretty much it. After that, you're looking to click on the Add Release button, and then choose what kind of release you're planning to push into the world, either a single or an album. I'll go with a single this time. So as you can see, when you try to push a release, you need to of course fill out the details. So you just start by release details right here. I'm just not going to go through this, I'm just going to show you this on paper. So you go through the release, you press start, and here as you can see you fill in the title, artist name, all of the stuff that you usually see in a single MP3 or FLAC or WAV track. Inside the track has info, so just pretty much go ahead and fill it up. After that, stores and digital platforms, social platforms, sorry, tracks and artwork. And guys, as you can see, where you will have the tracks and artwork, these two steps are going to be the ones responsible for actually uploading your track and of course artwork. So go ahead and check the policy on TuneCore and see which kind of extensions of files and types of audio are supported. And artwork, yeah, just upload the original so the quality is best and then go ahead and push it. As you can see, publishing is going to cost you $75. So that's how you do it, guys. And also, as you can see, you have Spotify, YouTube, and other platforms that you'll be able to, of course, push it into. So that's it. There's your guide. Enjoy pushing your music and releases, and see you in the next one, guys.